Welcome to another Euro Goodness unboxing. Today we're going to be taking a look at Papyria, a game published by Capstone Games and Iron Games. So I don't know a lot about this game. It's coming out of Gen Con and I just got it probably about 20 minutes ago. And so let's dive in and see what it's about. Okay. All right. I like the artwork on the cover. It looks pretty cool. I think this game's not super heavy Euro. I think it's more medium weight, but we will see. Okay. Oh, interesting. There's a little insert here. Okay. So we got a bunch of components here, a bunch of nice wooden components. We'll take a look at those in a minute. Got some bags, always appreciated. And we have the rule book. So the rule book's pretty thin. It's not too chunky here. Okay, you got all the components here, general setup, layouts seems nice. Player setup, and then describing the game, some of the aspects of the game, the point and the knowledge track, and then the gameplay. Okay. All right, talking about performing main actions, and then what the main actions are. Seems like there's several main actions, but none of them seem particularly complicated. And then scorings, maybe how your personal area scores. Yeah, it looks like there's like a tiling component to this as well, and then end of the game and final scoring. So it doesn't look too complicated at all. It's only 10 pages, and then without setup, it's like 5 pages. Seems pretty manageable. And then there's like a solo mode over here as well. Okay. And then just some like kind of reminders on the back. This is not really like a reference, just more of like some reminders. Okay. Very cool. All right, and then we got a bunch of punch board, and then I'm not sure what the deal with this is. There might be components under there. So we will take a look at the punch board first. So it's like medium, probably like medium thickness, decent quality cardboard. It's got a nice linen finish on it though. So these look like the tiles that you'll be placing out into your areas. Like I said, I'm not super familiar with this game, so I'm going to be mostly guessing at what these things are. It's like another very similar punch board. Okay, another one. The colors on the tiles are nice though. They look cool. Okay. Quite a bit of punch board. There's a lot of tokens and tiles and stuff here. Cool. All right. Okay, here's something a little bit different. These are, I don't know if these are like player areas. There's like 4 of them, so I don't know if each player gets one of these, or they're like overlays for the board. Okay, and then these are some, almost look like reminders for like how the different, they're almost like a player aid, it looks like. That's pretty cool. Nice. All right, so it looks nice. Punch board is good quality. While I'm at the punch board, just quickly, there was a promo that came with it as well. It just has like some extra tiles in here that you would, I guess, incorporate into your game. And then there's some rules that I guess you could use a QR code to see what they are. Maybe just slightly different effects versus the base game. But just a little promo that came in with it as well. Let's take a look here. Oh, it's a playmat. Oh, that's really cool. That's nice. That was surprising. I thought this was going to be a like a regular board. All right, we'll take a look at this in a second. And let me take a look at the components first. Okay, so huge bag components. Wow. All right. So we got some custom wooden components. These look like maybe like scrolls or something. These are like pretty cool. Like a nice thickness to them. Okay, and then we got like little houses. Yeah, these are neat. They're kind of like, I don't know if you could see that there's like, yeah, they're kind of like a little building shape here. These are nice. And then we got purple markers, maybe like a monument or something. Well, not sure what they are, or a resource. Could be resources. And then we got like little shields. That's what they look like anyway. There's gray ones, and then ones for like the player colors as well, which is red, green, yellow, and black. Okay. We got some boats, some ships. Okay. Yeah, so these are nice. Yeah, they're like a kind of a cool shape. Okay, we got some more meeples. There's a ton of components in this game. It's just like little worker meeples. They look pretty cool though. Okay, and then we got some. These look like little like pyramids or mountains or something. I don't know. They're kind of neat. They're like little like jagged triangles. So, pretty cool. They're like the same color as those other purple pieces as well. So. And then some more player colors, some more neutral, I guess, neutral and then player, like little markers, discs. Okay. And then get some little workers. Yeah, little workers with like a kind of like a walking stick. Okay. And then we got some blue structures of some sort. Whether they're maybe like maybe like temples or palaces or something. They kind of have like these two little like spires that, yeah. So this look cool too. All right, and then let's take a look at this playmat. This was a surprise. I was not expecting playmat. All right. Oh, it's like got cutouts in it. That's cool. Look at that. Wow, really neat. So it's like pretty long. Okay, and it's got cutouts for like tiles. This is really interesting. I don't think I've seen. I mean, obviously there's been neoprene mats with like, you know, things cut out of them, like a too many bones or something like this. But this is a long play mat that's got lots of little spaces for things. This is really cool. So yeah, so I think that's going to be it for the components of Papyria. But I am going to dive in, and I'm really excited to give this a try, see what this game's about. And I will post some comments and some thoughts and impressions up. So please look out for those. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and comment and like, and look out for more, because there's other Gen Con games and there'll be more unboxings. So thank you for joining me, and have a nice day.